the fashion show.
Good afternoon, ladies, and welcome to the annual I Magnin Fall Fashion Show. We have a smashing new collection here today, and we begin with our first lovely model, Tina, wearing a mauve cashmere sweater with matching pleated pants. For late afternoon wear, here's adorable little Janet wearing a blue wool A-line dress accented at her firm, rounded hips by a strong yet supple black leather belt. I don't know about you ladies, but personally I find black and blue an especially exciting color combination. And as afternoon latens into evening, we have our own darling Martha in a red matte jersey cocktail dress. Matte jersey, a sensuous, rich material cut low to reveal Martha's lovely, full, succulent, incredibly soft. Yes. Well, thank you, Martha. Here's Tina again, the little bitch. Wearing a satin man-cut tuxedo, all black, which, of course, happens to be Martha's favorite color. Perfect for the butch we all know Tina really is. Janet, luscious Janet, in a simple, strapless, white satin evening gown, molded to every curve and crevice of a body kept slim and trim by unending bedroom athletics. A body which I may be getting to know in intimate detail later this evening if someone isn't there when I get home tonight, Martha. Aha! The two-timer herself, in a creamy, translucent chiffon negligee, and the gold Cartier ring I gave her on her 32nd. Yes, not her 30th, but her 32nd birthday 2 weeks ago, at which time she swore her undying love to me in the house that I not only pay the rent on, but totally furnished myself before she fell for that neurotic little dyke Tina. Seen in the butchest drag since Marlon Brando slipped that motorcycle under his arse. And if that part of Martha's anatomy isn't in our $1,200 hand-carved French bed by exactly 1 hour after this show ends, then she can just park it somewhere else for the rest of her natural, or should I say, unnatural life. And I really mean it this time. I am a human being, not a checking account. I can only take so much. Did you hear me, Martha? A human being. The negligee is available in our lingerie for $123. Martha is available for considerably less at 1565 Elmwood Way. Thank you.